nonghikai skul SSA hapo kalama jangka Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSA SA sining kong kilai ka jingkashan ya karai jangka tanat puli puthi habayadei bat ka jingkan tehlakam ya ka Teacher Information Management System TIMS apps habakran mat kilat pathai khubor u president ka sinjok uba Aristotle Rambai uloang bakani ka TIMS apps kadai ka bapaka bha namar ka tehlakam ban budin ya ka jingtraikam bat ka jingwan skul nonghikai skul SSA.
Regarding that Teams apps is nothing new for us, the SSA teachers. Actually, it is a good initiative taken by the government. Before implementation of that Teams app also, the government, especially the director, we have discussed for the implementation of that Teams apps. So as far as this apps is concerned, is the good initiative taken by the government regarding the attendance of the SSA teachers.